Hello students of grade 6. Today we will be learning from the geography chapter 6, continents and oceans. In this chapter we will learn about the continents and oceans and the different characteristics features of the continents and oceans. The surface of the earth is covered up by a large and huge land masses called continents and a large water bodies called oceans. Okay. There are 7 continents in this world. Namely, we have got Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia, which is the largest and the most populous continent, and is in cover up 1/3 of the Earth's land area, and it is inhabited by 60% of the human population. And it is also called the land of crust because of its vast and physiographic and cultural diversity. India and China are some of the prominent countries of Asia. Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world, can be found in this continent. Next, we have got Africa, which is known as a dark continent. It is because of the vast desert and the dense forest which made this continent inapproachable. River Nile, the longest river in the world, and the Sahara Desert are found in this continent. Next, we have got North America. It is the 3rd largest continent and the most populous, occupied by Canada and USA. Spread across northern and the western hemisphere, Grand Canyon of California is found in this continent. Next, we have got South America, which is the 4th largest and the 5th most populous continent. Lies in the southern and the western hemisphere. Some of the prominent countries are Brazil, Argentina. The world's highest waterfall, Angel Fall, and the Amazon rainforest are found in this continent. Next, we have got Antarctica, 5th largest continent situated entirely south of the Antarctic Circle. Antarctica is also known as a frozen continent. Why? Because it is covered by the ice throughout the whole year. So it is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, and inhabited by the scientists for the research purpose. Penguins, walrus are the only inhabitants of this continent, Antarctica. Next, we have got Europe. Europe, that is the 6th largest and the 3rd populous continent. It is Europe, the most industrialized and the advanced continent. Next, we have got, lastly, there is Australia or Oceania. It is the smallest continent along with New Zealand. It is also known as Australasia. So the Commonwealth of Australia lies in the southern hemisphere, comprising the Australian mainland, the island of Tasmania, and the numerous islands. Kangaroo, which is the national symbol of Australia, is found in this continent. Do you know why the Earth is called a blue planet? It is because there is no other planet in the solar system like the Earth where there is water. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered up with water. An ocean is a continuous large body that surrounds the continent. There are 5 oceans on this Earth, namely Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Oceans, and Arctic Oceans. Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and the triangular in shape, bordered by the Pacific Ring of Fire of Four mountains containing most of the active volcanoes. Mariana Trench, which is considered as the deepest point on Earth's crust, is located in this Pacific Ocean. Next, we have got Atlantic Ocean. This S-shaped ocean with longest coastline. Transatlantic routes are the busiest in terms of trade and transportation. Next, we have got the Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean named after a country. And Indian Oceans provide trade route between Asia and Europe. Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the important branches of the Indian Ocean. Next we have got Arctic Ocean. This triangular shaped ocean occupies 1/5 of the total ocean areas. Antarctic Ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean. Lastly, we have got the Arctic Ocean. The northernmost ocean lying with the Arctic Circle remains frozen throughout the whole year or most of the year. So the North Pole of the Earth is located here. Let's review back what we have learned today. Continents and oceans. How many continents are there? 7 continents. Which is the largest continent? Asia. And the smallest continent? Australia. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. The largest, Pacific Ocean, and the smallest is the Arctic Ocean. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.